If you're suffering from the pain and embarrassment of a pilonidal cyst, I've got some great news: you can find relief with natural home remedies. In this video I'll share the best ways to treat pilonidal cysts without surgery or medications. A pilonidal cyst is an abnormal pocket or sac that develops in the crease of the buttocks near the tailbone. They are thought to be caused by ingrown hairs and can fill with fluid or pus, causing pain, swelling, and infection. Treating them at home is possible with some simple yet effective remedies. Here is an expanded section on home remedies for pilonidal cysts. Warm compresses. One of the simplest yet effective home treatments for pilonidal cysts is applying warm, moist compresses to the affected area several times a day. The warmth helps promote circulation, drawing out infection and fluid while also soothing pain and swelling. Start by soaking a clean washcloth in warm water. Make sure it is comfortably warm, but not hot enough to scald the skin. Apply the washcloth directly over the cyst for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time, rewarming it when it cools. Do this 3 to 4 times a day for best results. The increased drainage can help shrink the cyst. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a go-to for skin conditions like pilonidal cysts thanks to its powerful antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It can help destroy bacteria contributing to infection while reducing swelling and irritation on the cyst. Mix a few drops of pure tea tree oil with a teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil to dilute it. Using a cotton swab, gently apply the mixture to the cyst 1 to 2 times daily after cleaning the area. The tea tree oil may cause tingling but should not burn. Be sure to dilute it first. With regular application, tea tree oil can help diminish the size of pilonidal cysts. Epsom salt baths. Long, warm Epsom salt baths are an easy and soothing way to help draw out infection from a pilonidal cyst while also decreasing swelling. The magnesium in Epsom salts can help relax muscles and reduce pain. Dissolve about ½ cup of Epsom salts in a warm bath and soak the buttocks area for at least 15 to 20 minutes once or twice a day. The water should cover the cyst, so the Epsom salts make direct contact. For additional relief, use a washcloth soaked in the bath water to gently compress the cyst. The heat and magnesium will promote drainage and healing.